name is Keola Sherry. Welcome to United Haitians Living Abroad, ULA. For far too long, the Haitian diaspora has been frustrated for not having the right structure in place to collectively address our issues effectively in Haiti and abroad. We all want to do our part in turning things around, but where and how do we bring our forces and resources together? How do we voice our opinions and flex our muscles to demand change? Well, that's where ULA comes in. What is ULA? United Haitians Living Abroad. ULA is you. ULA is me. ULA is all of us. ULA is a platform which primary goal is to organize and bring the Haitian diaspora together under one roof to speak as one voice in order to advance our social, political, economic, and culture interests. To achieve this goal, you must take personal responsibility. First, you must register yourself into our database in order to be counted, and you must have your family and friends to do the same. Second, familiarize yourself with the organization. Browse around and learn about our culture. Here, we value the Haitian name. We don't usually talk bad about ourselves, Haitian this, Haitian that. Instead, we uplift and respect each other. Here, we help one another. Third, you must find something to do to help this platform grow. Do something, anything, like social media recruiter. But seriously, volunteers, let us know about any special skill that you have. What do you do at work? We need an emergency response team with all kinds of expertise that will be deployed periodically to rebuild our beloved country, Haiti. So let us know your skill, small or big. Anything counts. Last but not least, make new friends on our live chat. Buy and use Haitian services and goods to keep our money in our community. Because we are organizing, businessmen will have to provide better services because we will hold them accountable. The first issue we are going to tackle as an organized group is to help Haiti feed herself again. Each person will donate a solar stove and a fruitful tree that carves your name to help stop deforestation. Please pledge today. An organized Haitian diaspora is what United Haitians Living Abroad, ULA, is all about. Remember, ULA is you. ULA is me. ULA is all of us. En coles épaules ak ULA. Visit colesépaule.org.